What if we could tap into the vast, unused reservoir of our brain's potential? Can the ancient practice of yoga serve as a key to unlock these hidden abilities? Let's delve into the world of yoga and its mystical aspect known as siddhis. Siddhis, often referred to as supernatural abilities or powers, have been a part of spiritual teachings for centuries. Ancient yogis, known for their extraordinary abilities ranging from clairvoyance to telepathy and beyond, were believed to have attained these siddhis through their dedicated practice of yoga. In the realm of yoga, the siddhis, or the 8 vital powers, are achieved through rigorous practice and mental discipline. However, the attainment of these powers is often uncertain, as is the ability to maintain them. So, how does one achieve these siddhis through yoga? The ancient sage Patanjali writes that siddhis are achieved after mastering the last 3 steps of the Eightfold Path: the ability to simultaneously maintain willful concentration, meditation, and samadhi, a state of intense concentration achieved through meditation. The control of supernatural powers is not granted to everyone. It is only those who have practiced deep samadhi and have attained the 4 dhyanas and 8 samadhis who can control these powers at will. Yoga, in essence, helps in controlling the body, mind, and soul. It creates a balance of physical and mental discipline which calms the body and mind. This balance aids in stress management, anxiety relief, and maintaining a relaxed state of being. In the pursuit of siddhis, meditation plays an integral role. Without siddhis, progress in meditation is not achievable. If our meditation has not generated several siddhis, it means we have not learned to meditate effectively. Acharya Charak explains that when a yogi practices yoga with a pure mind, sattva, and soul, he attains the 8 siddhis. These 8 siddhis can only be attained by those who practice yoga by connecting their pure mind with the soul. To attain the power of meditation, one must sit in any comfortable position, sukhasana, and meditate for 15 minutes every morning, evening, and before sleeping. Chanting Om 3 times in a medium tone with closed eyes at the beginning of the practice can enhance the meditation experience. In today's world, as people lead unnatural and frustrated lives, yoga could serve as a solution. Adopting yoga in life and understanding its essence could potentially bind the world in unity. Yoga has been an invaluable heritage of India for centuries. It is a spiritual practice that unites self-consciousness with supreme consciousness. As Maharishi Patanjali said, the more we introvert the tendencies of the mind, the more the light of truth increases in our life. So, train your body and mind to their maximum potential. By nature, both the body and mind can remain healthy. And remember, the power of yoga lies in its practice. In summary, yoga and its practice can lead to the attainment of siddhis, or supernatural powers. These are achieved through rigorous practice, mental discipline, and the mastering of the last 3 steps of the Eightfold Path. The practice of meditation plays a crucial role in this process, and the power of yoga lies in its practice. So train your body and mind, tap into the vast potential of your abilities, and unlock the hidden secrets of yoga.